Google is ready to announce a brilliant new version of Wear OS at last. This is the third major release of the platform, the first since the brand changed to Wear OS, and Google finally shows that it understands that what people want from a smartwatch is not a phone replacement. They want a reliable daily assistant and a coach that is quick and discreet. The new system has no obvious improvements in battery life, which is still a big problem that the industry has yet to solve. It's possible that Google's partners will realize for themselves. Dennis Troper, of Wear OS, said his team focused on 3 key areas when redesigning the platform: helping people stay connected, providing proactive help from the Google Assistant, and allowing people to lead healthier lives. The new SmartWatch Wear is designed to help someone stay on top of important events and the people in their lives without having to stay chained to their phones.